Here is another compact little matx PC build that I'm working on. This is the MSI Pano m100r PZ PC case. As you can see, I'm working on an all-white build. It has a total of 3, 6, 9, 10 120mm fans. It's got a 360 AIO, and in this we are rocking a 7800 X3D, and we will be pairing it with a Radeon RX 7800 XT AS Rock Steel Legend graphics card, 16GB VRAM. This is going to be catered to 1440p, so if you wanted to see how this gets put together, full video coming out next. It was actually pretty easy building in this case, and I wanted to share with you guys just how I went about putting all of this together.